that will make the people move, but it's the other way around, right? It's the people, your leaders that will make the product move. And true enough, 18 years after, we're a known brand not only in the Philippines, but globally na rin. Kaya naka-inspire, nakakatuwa.
Let's say that this is our debut as a company, and from the start, actually we were partners, and we've had our experiences of wins and losses, and Sante International is our greatest win because we have found the right business partners, those around this table, and they run with the vision and the mission of the company to help people live better lives. And one of the dreams that we really want to see happen is soon Sante Barley is a household name around the world.
And sir, since you joined for Mr. Paul, since you joined, what changes did you observe throughout the 18 years?
Oh, ang dami. I joined actually not as a not as a founder. I think I joined 2010. And it's actually my dream to join them. I've known them for time immemorial. Yeah, changes, and dami, because we changed, diba? We had so many experiences, no? And each experience actually we take them as a challenge and a learning opportunity. So every time there's a challenge, we adapt, and we're very flexible naman, especially in pandemic, no? And we found out, diba, that when you're fast in pivoting, and learn from your mistakes, no? And mabilis rin ang growth namin. So that is I think one of the biggest characteristics that has propelled us to success.
I have a question, sir. My question is for Sir Joey. So I'm Chad from Manila Feed. My question, sir, is how would you envision in the next 5 years for Sante?
Wow. Diyan kami excited to talk about the future. This is our 18th year, and later on we'll be having a big event together with our top leaders, and the goal is for them to see the next 18 years. But how do we envision Sante? There's a lot of things that happened for the past 18 years that's parang unbelievable. Siguro, I don't know, well, mamaya siguro matatanong nyo, pero unahan ko na, di ba? Who would believe that a simple Filipino company like Sante now happens to be the one who owns the manufacturing facility in New Zealand. And we're the first ever, maybe not only Asian, but we're the first ever company outside New Zealand who was able to set up a facility, a Filipino company. So grabe yung breakthroughs eh. So if you have that potential na nagawa in the past 18 years, imagine the growth that can happen to the company in the next 18 years. The vision is so simple. The vision is to develop a Filipino brand that will be known globally. And the market shouldn't be just Filipinos. Kasi if it's just Filipinos, it's not global. It's just local. Diba? You just brought the product there to cater to your mga kababayan. And we love that. Actually, they're our target market. But the goal is for our kababayans to reach the global market until such time that you can see Italians, Americans, Germans, Chinese using a Filipino product. And that's the vision of the company. And I think we're about to do that very, very soon. Because right now we're present all over the world. And we're developing a huge network of people believing in a Filipino product. And I think that's one thing we're really proud of.
And for the business owners, my question is, how did Sante change your lives?
Want to answer?
Well, ako po, nagpapasalamat. Number one kasi pang 13 years ko na ngayon sa Sante. No? And naalala ko nung nagsimula ako dito is I was very ordinary. Wala akong leadership skills, marketing skills. Pero naniwala kami sa sa principle na being the right person for the right opportunity. And siguro ako ay hungry to learn, to succeed. And the opportunity, yung Sante nun. And I remember si CEO, Sir Joey Marcelo, nagpunta kayo sir sa sa public swimming pool, no? Para magbigay ng ng encouragement sa amin, no? So we're just starting, no? Wala pang magandang income, and then talagang we're starting. And then sabi niya, hold on to your dreams and let's go build leaders and your business will go global. And then from that moment na parang hindi ka maniwala, pero some people believed in you na may possibility sa pwedeng mangyari. And nagulat lang ako, yung company, 18 years na, I'm 18 years, and yun yung nangyari. Ang daming leaders na na-develop. Isa na po ako doon, ang asawa ko, and with the elites na nandito. And grabe, thousands of people changed lives. No? So hindi lang kami nagkaroon ng business. It's a platform na nag-grow yung aming leadership. No? And nakapagbigay kami ng pagkasa sa maraming tao. And mas lalo pang na-reach out sa across the globe, yung Sante. No? So, kaya I'm so very grateful and thankful sa Sante.
I'm Ed Heronilla, so bali pang 4th year ko pa dito sa Sante. Right, so I started Sante last pandemic. So I can say na etong industriya na ito changes me as a person. Yung nga sabi ng mga classmate ko nga, in my first company sa industry of network marketing, hindi daw about income yung nag-change sa akin. It's about my personality. Kasi yung impression kasi as a computer engineer, as a programmer, medyo hindi talaga sa sales, di ba? So when I started doing this kind of business in this industry, it really changes me. It opened my mind. Okay, then after 10 years of doing the business, after 10 years in my first company, pumunta ako dito sa Sante. Okay. Yung nagbago naman sa akin dito because after it opened my mind as a parang working force or a employee, naging businessman ako. Nung nagsante ako and Sir Joey mentored me about how this really, paano ka maging successful talaga dito, it's how you help other people. Before kasi it's just like ako mismo kikita, it's my own personal effort to earn. So, nung nagsante ako, yung nag-change talaga sa akin is my perspective in doing business, which is if you really help other people solve their problems, money will just come. So, that's it.
Thank you.
Sir Joe, ano po yung usual reminders mo sa mga business partners mo para sa growth nila?
And sir, may I add, what kind of training do they go through? And because they mentioned earlier that there's leadership that is being taught to them. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, if you